say that, and they would be telling you what was up ahead, right as one image was finished, and then it traveled on to the next one and stuff. Captivating. Captivating is the most accurate word in this situation. In retrospect, of course, it's also very nulties. Which, in this case, is a good thing, though. Damn, dude, that was amazing. And, like, the best thing is, that man was so passionate. They frequently interviewed him as well, and the thing is that the production was also really popular in Germany, partly because there were a lot of German builders as well, due to the close proximity. But also, the guy spoke German as well, and so he would frequently have interviews with the German host. And, like, the thing is, people that speak German with a heavy Dutch accent, that's just something so endearing. It's quite pleasant to listen to and also a little bit funny. It's just enjoyable. And so we would often get closer insights into the thought processes behind some of the images and some of the projects, and in between you would also sometimes get segments. No, actually, that was less in between, but more ahead of time, like before they actually kicked off the first stone. I hope that was inaudible. Hey. This is kind of just like a shawl to throw over my shoulders. I originally started this trying to make a baby blanket, but I grossly overestimated how much yarn I had. / I grossly underestimated how much yarn I would need. And so now instead it's gonna be Ethel. How you doing? But yeah, you would kind of get insights into the selection process of the builders and their training, and then you would have these teams in the halls and kind of see how they were working on the big images and how all the techie stuff worked behind the scenes and how that was set up. And then one of the cutest things about it was that I don't remember a single year in which they didn't have at least 2 builders, also from different countries sometimes, fall in love with each other. That shit was so cute. Oh boy, that was a long day then. Also, hi Spiff. I almost didn't see. And yes, because we still get people that come in here and don't look at the panels and they're like, why are you talking in English when your stream is in German? Because I'm bilingual. It also says that in the tags. But sure, fine, have it in the title. I literally No, wait, seriously. If you type something in chat for the first time, you have to click away that little box, right? Literally, the text in the box is also both in German and in English. Ah, okay. Did not realize they actually managed to